Greetings, my name is Mulela Matondo, Africa, artist musician from Congo, based in London. We need your help so that we can make a music video for our new song, Mali La Paix, Peace in Mali. We wrote the song so we can highlight the people, the suffering of the people of Mali, our mothers, our children, our fathers have been displaced, and then the music has been silenced by the Islamists. So it was important for me as an African musician to come up with the studio with other friends to record the song for peace in Mali and all Africa. Africa is like a body, and then Mali is part of the body. So if Mali is wounded, that's meaning Africa is not going to function properly. That's what the lyric says. Mali, 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 Africa is okili susungo, Africa is okina Mali. Mali, Mali, Africa is wounded again, Africa is wounded again in Mali. So help us to raise the money so we can spread the message of peace in Africa. More fire.
Since we released the song, it's been played nearly 1,000 times online and on digital radio, and people are talking about it on Twitter, including Rob the Bank and Jules Holland. But we want to spread the message even further, and we think a music video will help. 24 people came to give their time and talent to play and sing for free. And the money that you give us will go towards expenses and cameraman, equipment, the set, etc. And any spare will be used for a fundraiser for Mali.
How much is it?
We need £2,500 in total to make this happen. So please help us.
Moi je m'appelle Ngué Kalekela et Mawejata Molombagabo. Donc je suis artiste et musicien, j'habite à London. Donc avec Moulele ensemble on a fait Prophétie. Donc voilà, Prophétie est là, tout le monde a chanté, il y avait beaucoup de...
Mali, c'est pas Prophétie, Mali. Mali.
Oui, et la chanson c'est, on a chanté pour la paix au Mali, donc Prophétie de Moulele Matondo. Donc, et voilà, on a besoin vraiment de votre aide, c'est très important parce que c'est pour aider, vraiment soutenir ce qu'il faut pour aider l'Afrique. Au Mali, ça ne va pas, donc comme ça ne va pas au Mali, ça ne va pas en Afrique. Donc ça nous fait tous mal, ce qui se passe au Mali. Vraiment prier de nous aider financièrement, matériellement, spirituellement, c'est très important. Merci beaucoup, donc à bientôt.
More fire. La paix au Mali, l'Afrique dans la paix.
Paix.
La paix au Mali, l'Afrique dans la paix.
Peace in Mali, Africa and peace.
Yes.